Hello again, boys and girls. Now we're going to do math. We're going to continue with subtraction action. Yesterday, you practiced writing subtraction action sentences using data from a picture. It's important to know how to write the subtraction action sentences because the larger number needs to go first. We call that larger number the minuend. Very good. And then, after the minus sign, we put our subtrahend, the amount that we want to take away from that larger set. And when we take those away and count how many are left, we have our difference. Well, we can write subtraction action sentences in vertical form as well as horizontal form. Here I have 3 minus 1. And I'm going to use the similar information that you're going to do on your paper today. Okay? So I took a domino and it's in horizontal form. I'm going to turn it this way though because I know the larger group goes first. So I wrote down 3 minus 1 equals. Okay, now I'm going to write it in vertical form. Remember, vertical is from the top down. 3 minus, the minus sign goes on the side like you did with your plus sign when we did addition. 1 goes right under the 3, and then our equal sign, instead of 2 short lines, becomes 1 long line. Now let's solve it and see if we get the same answer. I'm going to use the abacus because I don't want to X out on my dominoes. The paper that you have today will have them already X out. So again, you're using data from a picture to make the subtraction action sentence. However, you're going to write it both horizontally and vertically. So, we have 3. We need to take away 1. How many are left? 1, 2. So our difference is 2. Now we'll take the same subtraction action sentence and see if we get the same difference. 3, still starting with 3, minus 1, I'm still taking away 1, and look at that, I still have 2 as my difference. Okay, I'm going to get another domino. Okay, let's look at this one. Well, the sets are the same. How many? 3 and 3. You remember that is 6. 6 here and 6 here. So, does it matter which one goes first? No, because they're the same. And you know that this is going to be a no-brainer because they're the same. Okay, let's write it. 6. Take away 6 equals. And now I'll write it in vertical form. 6 minus 6 equals. Okay, let's get our abacus in check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 6. Send them all back. 0. Let's see if it is the same when we do it in vertical form. 6. Still starting with 6. Still taking away 6. Still get 0. Okay. Running out of room. I get another paper. Okay. Okay. How many on this side? Right, 5. How many on this side? 1. Which number should go first in a subtraction action sentence? Right, the 5. So we'll write it horizontally first. 5. Take away 1 equals. Now I'll write it vertically. 5. Take away 1 equals. Let's solve. You need to bring over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take away 1. How many's left? 1, 2, 3, 4 is our difference in our horizontal number sentence. Let's try it in our vertical number sentence. 5. Still 5. Take away 1. And we still get 4 as our difference. So if you write it vertically or horizontally, you have the same number sentence. Okay, I'll do a couple more, and then I'll show you the next fun activity you're going to do. Okay, we have 3 and we have 6. Okay, which number goes first? Which will be the minuend? Right, the 6. We'll write it horizontally first. 6 minus 3 equals, okay, now we'll write it vertically. 6 minus 3 equals, and I'll get my abacus because I don't want to X out on my dominoes. We need to start with 6. 3 and 3. Take away 3. How many's left? Right, 3. 3 is our difference. Let's do it in vertical form. 3 and 3, 6. Take away 3. And again, 3 is our difference in vertical form as well. So, you will do a similar activity, very similar, using dominoes on your paper. And so again, you're using data from a picture. However, today you're going to write it horizontally and vertically. It's practice writing the equation. Equation is another word for a number sentence. Okay? And they are X out on so you can easily see the difference. Okay. The second fun thing you're going to do is on Seesaw. And this time you have to solve a mystery using clues. Okay, on the top of the Seesaw page you'll see pictures and numbers, because everywhere you see an apple, you'll write the number 10. Everywhere you see, well, my numbers are different than yours. If you see a pear, you write number 4. The number that goes with jack-o'-lanterns for me is 5. Stars is 2. Hearts are 7. Okay? So we're going to use that information and plug it in here. So it's secret code subtraction. Okay, my first one says, okay, jack-o'-lantern. What number goes with jack-o'-lantern? I'm going to look up here. It's 5. Minus, how many do we minus? My next clue is a star. Star is equal to, so I'm going to write 2. Now this is where you're going to use your number line or your abacus to help you. Okay, so you could write them all in first and then solve them, but you're using the pencil tool to write the numbers, okay? Okay, so if you use your abacus, you're going to start with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay, or you can use your number line. Can you guys see the number line? Let me check. Okay, you can. I'm back. Okay, remember, on the number line, we start on 5. And we subtract, we go back. So we're going to go back 2 steps. 1, 2. I landed on 3. The same difference I got with my abacus. So I solved the first subtraction mystery. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. It says apple. What goes with apple? What number? Right, 10. So 10 will be my minuend. Take away, what will my subtrahend be? Let's find the pair. Pairs equal 4. So my number sentence is 10 minus 4. Okay, you can do it on the abacus or on the number line. On the number line, you start at number 10. You're going to take 4 steps back. Subtract, go back. Okay, let's go 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on 6, so my difference is 6. And if you do it on the abacus, you bring over a whole row, that's 10. Take away 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also our difference on the abacus as well as the number line. Okay, solve that subtraction mystery. Let's go to the next secret code. Okay, it's a heart. What do we have for hearts? 7. 7 is my minuend. take away, oh, another heart. 7 again. What do we call that? That's a subtraction action no-brainer. Because the two numbers are the same with a minus sign, we're going to have what? 0. Let's try it on the number line. We start at 7. We're going to go back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we are at 0. Let's do it on the abacus to check. Bring over 7. I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All gone. 0. Okay, let's solve the next mystery code. An apple. What value is the apple? The apple is, right, 10. I'm going to write 10 in. Okay, minus, we're going to take away from that 10, 5. I bet you already know the answer. Okay, we're going to put our figure on number 10. Take away 5. Subtract, go back. Go back 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is our difference. Let's check on the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm sorry. 10. Take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is our difference on the abacus and on the number line. The fun part is solving the mysteries. Break the secret code to subtract the action, do the subtraction action sentence. Okay, boys and girls? So you're going to do the domino paper, practice writing your subtraction action sentence in horizontal and vertical form, and then you are going to also practice writing subtraction action sentences on Seesaw using the code. Okay, have fun. I'll see you in a little while for religion.